Today we're doing an oil change and a headlight restoration for a 2010 Honda Accord. This has the 2.4 liter 0W20 oil filter and oil pan right there. That's like the perfect oil change. Beautiful, not too tight. Alright, we got it snug and we'll do another quarter to half turn. That's all it needs. Woo! Just snug. 4.2 quarts of 0W20. Let's start it up and check for leaks. No leaks. Everything looks good. Alright, the oil change is done. Let's work on the headlights. There's a lot of yellowing, fading, and oxidation, so I'm going to go pretty aggressive to start out with 320 grit and 600, 1500, and 3000, and then polish in ceramic. And hopefully we get these things to shine real nice. Here's our first pass with the 320 grit. You can actually see that it's removed a lot of that yellowing. You can see it in the towel that we wiped it off. It removed a lot of that. And now we're going to progressively go up in grit for a finer sand to fill in all of these scratches and buff it out and make it shine. Wipe down after our 1500 grit. You see the finer sandpaper filling in those bigger scratches. It's already starting to look a lot better. Finish with the 3000 grit, and now to my favorite part, the polish. Now is where we really start to see it shine. Here's the finished product. Some of the fogging and hazing is inside the lens, but for a 16-year-old plastic headlight housing, I think it cleaned up pretty good.